Rapid advances in technology are shaping the world. When it comes to security, touch is quickly becoming the industry standard, your finger acting as the key.
We at Pishan Lab decided it was about time to create a padlock for the modern age. We believe a lock should always be functional and provide you with a quick, easy access whenever you need it. We are proud to introduce TapLock and TapLock Lite, the world's smartest padlocks.
TapLock and TapLock Lite need no key, no combination code, and no phone to access them. Instead, using a cutting-edge encrypted fingerprint sensor, it grants access with just a tap in 0.8 seconds. There's nothing to remember and nothing you can lose. It uses the one thing you always have with you, your unique fingerprint. TapLock can also double as a phone charger, so you'll never be stranded without power. But what about the times when you need to share access? Don't worry, we have you covered with the TapLock app, compatible with iOS, Windows, and Android. Using only your smartphone, you can grant anyone access to your lock from anywhere in the world. Up to 100 fingerprints can be stored. The time, location, and duration of access can even be customized. When you want to revoke access, do it with just a tap. With TapLock and TapLock Lite, you're always in control. TapLock is designed to keep unwanted guests out. It has a built-in alarm that will activate if the lock is cut or if someone without authorization tries to open it. So wherever you decide to use your TapLock or TapLock Lite, you can feel confident that your valuables are secure and that accessing them will be quick and easy. TapLock has a lithium-ion battery that can last up to 3 years on one charge. And it gives you the option of accessing your lock through your phone using Bluetooth 4.1. TapLock Lite was designed with travelers in mind, so we made it small, lightweight, and secure. It's equipped with a replaceable battery that can last up to 6 months. It's also water resistant, so you don't need to worry about it being damaged by rain or snow.
We have spent countless hours creating TapLock and TapLock Lite, and now we're ready to bring them to you. We take great pride in modernizing an invaluable item through the power of touch. Help us bring TapLock to market by purchasing a perk. Early adopters will be among the first to experience ultimate in convenience and security from TapLock and TapLock Lite, the world's smartest padlock.
Skybell is a Wi-Fi enabled digital doorbell that allows you to see, hear, and speak to the person at your door, no matter where you are or what you're doing.
Looks like a solicitor.
Oh, that's okay. The babysitter will get the call.
When a visitor presses the button, Skybell sends an alert to everyone in your family, and each person can choose to accept or ignore the call. If you answer it, you'll see, hear, and speak to the person at your door.
Hi, Kate, it's me.
Hi, Sarah. So happy you're here. Come on in, I'm in the kitchen.
Skybell is more than just a doorbell with a video camera. It's a smart device with exclusive features that give you even more convenience and control over answering your door. Skybell's motion sensor can detect when someone is in front of the door, even if they don't press the button. A rotatable camera and invisible night vision technology helps you see your visitor at night without them knowing. The on-demand feature lets you open the live video feed at any time and look out your Skybell camera directly from the app.
Oh, hey, I'll be there in just a sec.
Together, these smart features provide you with more convenience, safety, and control over answering your door.
When I'm home alone and the doorbell rings, it can be unsettling and kind of inconvenient. With Skybell, I can see who's on the other side before I even answer the door.
Installing Skybell is easy. Simply remove your old doorbell and attach the same 2 wires to Skybell. Secure the device to the wall with 4 screws and use the security set screw to secure the device to the mounting plate. Only you can remove the device once it's installed, and your home's doorbell chime will still work.
Skybell connects to your home's Wi-Fi, and you receive the feed over Wi-Fi, 3G, and 4G LTE. The front features a button, day and night vision camera, microphone, and advanced motion sensor. The cover is made of hardened plastics that won't rust or interfere with the Wi-Fi signal. It's rugged and it'll work in harsh conditions. Skybell works internationally with the world's most common power standards, and it's compatible with G, N, and B wireless networks. Skybell is made in the USA, right here in Southern California.
Well, thanks for stopping by. We're excited about Skybell and digitizing your world, starting with the front door.
On sale now at Amazon and skybell.com.
Technology can help you protect and secure what is most important for you. Your health, your home, your belongings, your pets, and of course, your family. But suppose you can have all of these in only one device. Yes, only one. One device that will protect all of the important things in your life for you? Well, there is. Meet All-Be-One, the all-in-one personal security guardian. A small capsule packed with multiple sensors that can sense and monitor pretty much everything. And the best thing about it is that it's an open platform, so developers can create with it endless apps, just like the ones you have on your smartphone. So you can use All-Be-One in many ways. With its infrared technology, All-Be-One will warn you when someone enters your home or your office. And it will always keep track of your belongings. It will warn you when someone tries to steal your laptop. If you put the All-Be-One in a drawer, you will always know if it was opened in your absence. Your phone will only unlock when you are near it. It warns you if someone bumps into your car. It counts steps, calories, and distances. Long hours at work can prevent a moderate sun exposure to provide vitamin D to our skin. All-Be-One will advise you to get some sun. All-Be-One is also a wireless shortcut for emergency calls and enables you to determine your GPS location. All-Be-One will warn you when to put some sunscreen on your child during the day. It will warn you when your child wanders away from sight, or if you are looking for your pet. All-Be-One comes with an extended range connection, which needs charging only once in 2 months. The All-Be-One team has spent many hours creating the perfect design that can replace many kinds of devices in one advanced product. All-Be-One is an all-in-one, low-cost personal security solution that is accessible to all. And that's not all. All-Be-One is an open device, and we invite all developers to use it to create almost endless apps for future All-Be-One uses. With your support and our vision, we will be able to help everyone feel secure everywhere.
Meet EveryKey, a stylish wristband that unlocks your life. EveryKey utilizes military-grade encryption, allowing only you access to your personal property and accounts. Like a credit card, you can instantly disable your EveryKey if it gets lost or stolen. EveryKey takes less than a minute to set up, and then it works seamlessly, unlocking your devices when you're around and locking them down when you're not. Our patent-pending use of low-power Bluetooth allows EveryKey to communicate securely with an unlimited number of devices at once at a customizable range. It also makes logging into websites a breeze. EveryKey securely stores your password as you log into a website for the first time and then logs you in automatically the next time you visit that website. When registering at a website, you have the option to use your own password or allow EveryKey to create a complex and random password. It's even water resistant, so you can use it throughout your entire day and you'll only need to charge it about once a month. If you accidentally leave your EveryKey behind, your phone will alert you and you can easily deactivate it at any time just by calling us or going to everykey.com. We'll overnight you a new wristband at a discount, and you can use your old keys and passwords in the meantime. Welcome to the revolution of access control.
Everything you just saw demonstrates real technologies that work today. Now we'd like to share with you our vision for tomorrow. We plan to release an SDK which allows other access control technologies to seamlessly integrate with every key. That means your wristband could unlock and start your car, unlock your house door, turn on your lights, and even replace your credit cards. Think of all the possibilities.
We designed every key from the ground up with fashion as our North Star. We applied the same methods as a haute couture fashion brand, placing meticulous attention to detail with absolute precision, resulting in an elegant and sleek product without compromise in aesthetic or performance. Each beautiful color option has been carefully refined to reflect a unique personality. Our continued obsession with design and usability extends to every other aspect of the Every Key experience.
If you've ever stayed in a hotel, bed and breakfast, or rented accommodation and thought that you don't feel completely secure, that's no surprise. Just how many people have had access to the keys that unlock your door or use them on a daily basis? It's a bit of a worry, but you can't just change the locks wherever you go, can you? Well, there's now a solution. EasyLock is the lightweight, quick to install, super strong temporary door lock that keeps you and your valuables safe wherever you are. By placing the EasyLock over the existing latch plate, you create a simple yet sturdy lock that only you control. It's the only lock of its kind that allows you to confirm a visitor or receive documents whilst remaining secure. And when not in use, it can just slip into your pocket. And don't worry, the EasyLock may be lightweight, but its core is made from steel, so it's built to last. Take a little extra peace of mind with you wherever you go. EasyLock. Small, strong, secure.